Off-Leash K9 Training Jersey Shore location. Today I have with me Mellow. He is a Havanese. He's come to us for our 2-week board and train. His family brought him into us to give him some stability and confidence. He gets fearful of new people and new places. He likes to jump up and be held. So we really want him to get comfortable in different areas with people and dogs walking by. He also is a bit of a runner. So if you take him off leash right now or open a door, he will take off and bolt. So we want to work on that recall as well as that on and off leash heel. I look forward to seeing his progress over the next 2 weeks, and we'll see you soon.
This is day 1 of Mellow's training. During day 1, we discovered that Mellow had severe leash aggression. He would try to bite the leash, bite my legs, and he would continue to fight with any pressure. Over the next 2 weeks, we are going to continue to work with leash pressure and to try to help cure that leash aggression.
I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life.
As you can see here, this is during week 1. We are working with a loose leash heel as well as building his confidence with some breaks in between commands and just continuing to work on that leash pressure, getting him comfortable with slight pressure without him reacting.
All the blood that I will bleed, I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I don't think you're right for him. Think of what it might have been if you took a bus to Chinatown. I'd be standing on Canal and Bowery. She'd be standing next to me. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. Love, we need it now. Let's focus on we're bleeding now. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart.
I got a piece of land out in the countryside. Lay back and smell the sun, warm up the Georgia pie. Feels so good to be taking it easy. Why would I ever leave? 'Cause I know I got some good friends that live down the street. Got a good looking woman with her arms round me. Here in a small town where it feels like home. I got everything I need and nothing that I don't. Oh no, oh no. We got a fire go down by the riverside. Sip whiskey out the bottle, living like we'll never die. Come on and stay a while if you don't believe me. Why would I ever leave? 'Cause I know I got some good friends that live down the street. Got a good looking woman with her arms round me. Here in a small town where it feels like that live down the street. Got a good-looking woman with her arms around me. Here in a small town where it feels like home, I got everything I need, and nothing that I don't. Everything I need, and nothing that I don't. Homegrown. It's the way that you carry from the things you think you want. It's the way that you carry from the things you think you wear. It's you carry. It's the way that you carry from the things you think you want. I got everything I need, nothing that I don't. Everything I need, nothing that I don't. Everything I need, nothing that I don't. Oh, everything I need, and nothing that I don't. Gonna put the world away for a minute, pretend I don't live in it. Sunshine gonna wash my blues away. Had sweet love but I lost it. She got too close so I fought it. Now I'm lost in the world trying to find me a better way. Wishing I was deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze and it don't seem fair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise.
Wrote a note, said be back in a minute. Bought a boat and I sailed off in it. Don't think anybody's gonna miss me anyway. Mind on a permanent vacation. The ocean is my only medication. Wishing my condition ain't ever gonna go away.
Cause now I'm deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair. Only worry in the world